Hi guys, welcome back to our video again. In this video, what we gotta do is we gotta do some paint job and then also some derusting. First off, we want to remove all this watermark from both sides of the cases, the crank and also this magnetic coil area. So we'll be using this rubbing compound and then a drill. Basically you just scrub it over and then you just grind it. Okay, so this is the after, so you can see it's much shinier, so it doesn't have the watermark anymore. So this is our bar end. It's slightly rusting on one of the end and the tip you can see here. We gotta use a sandpaper and then just scrape off the loose rust. Then we gotta use our rust converter and give it a light coat. These screws are too rusty, so even if we derust it, it's not as great. That's what we thought. So we will use a rust converter to convert it. All of a sudden it starts raining again. I mean, it has been raining oddly these few days. We have also sand out the crash bar and we have washed them up. It's pretty clean now. So what we need to do is we need to coat the rust converter. We are not going to paint it again or powder coat it. Probably what we got to do is we got to buy some black wrap and wrap it over. So we got to paint this mounting bracket, but first we just give it an anti-rust layer. Of course we protect the surrounding so we won't spray to the wall. While waiting for the paint to dry, we will polish the headlight thing with the rubbing compound. There we thought everything is settled, so now we remove the headlight and we saw a screw that is broken inside, so now we have to find ways to extract it out. So now we gotta drill this broken screw out. Finally, we got it out, the broken screw. So now this is clear. So not sure whether if you can see the difference. This is after and then this is before. I don't think the camera can tell, but after using this rubbing compound, this one looks slightly clearer and then this one is a bit foggy, so we will do this on this side also. So before we send this to powder coat, what we need to do is we need to sand off all the rust. So it's initially like that, so you can see the silvery part, and then this is without the clear coat, and then it will sand down to bare metal. So this is how you want to bring it down. If you don't mind spending a little bit more, you can might as well get a brand new handlebar. So on the exhaust cover, because the exhaust is silver, the rear fin is silver, you also want to paint it black. But instead of using normal paint, we use something called the plastic dip. So this is the first time using it. The important part of painting is always preparation. Wash it, tape all the screw hole and then take all the grommet that you don't want to apply paint on. So all we have to do now is to wait for the paint to dry, maybe have some kopi. Finally the paint dried up, so before we call it a day, we install back crash guard. We finally got all the 3 bolts pointing in, a bit loose, so now we gotta tighten it. So now we install the grommet back to the heat shield. Put it back in and see how it looks like. Okay, so now everything looks good as you can see here. So the muffler is no longer touching onto the mud guard. Previously this part is actually touching here, so we did some adjustment and it's all good now. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. See you on the next one. Bye bye.